Fabulous three-dimensional blackboard. This is a television camera. On the front, it has a lens just like a regular camera, but inside, it's very different. Inside, instead of film, there's a long electron tube called an orthicon. The orthicon takes what the lens sees and turns it into electric current, which is called a picture signal. This picture signal is sent over a cable to the transmitter, where it is turned into waves, and whoopee, it's sent over the air to your set.
Could you show us on the real camera, Toby?
But of course, my boy, of course. I'll turn the camera on Chumley, and you turn on the set. Can you see him now?
Perfect. Well, don't just stand there, Chumley. Do something. You're on TV.
I will now perform a military cap.
Great act, Chumley. A smash. But there's still something I don't understand, Mr. Wee.
Well, what's that, my boy?
I looked real close, and I didn't see any picture going across the room between the camera and the TV set.
Oh, but of course you didn't. There wasn't any picture, just electromagnetic waves which are invisible.
But then how?
How does it get to be a picture again? Well, let's go back to the 3D TV. Inside every TV set there's a big tube. You call it a picture tube, but the correct name is cathode ray tube. It takes the waves from the transmitter and turns them back into electrons. In the back of this tube, there's an electron gun which shoots the electrons to the front of the tube. The front of the tube is coated with a special chemical which lights up when the electrons hit it. And this is what makes the picture.
I get it. The orthicon tube turns the picture into electrons, and the cathode ray tube turns the electrons back into the picture.
Precisely, my boy.
Then, just how are we going to fix Mr. Manoff's TV set?
You aren't. I want you to promise me never monkey around with the back of a TV set. That's a job for experts.